Hello friends, today's topic is taken from economy. The title of the topic is What is Hawala transaction? Hawala is simply the settlement process designed to circumvent formal banking and financial regulations. Hawala needs an opposite trade flow, not bound by regulations to complete the cycle. Before Bollywood got access to bank loan, it was routinely financed by financier in Dubai. To pay back, the producer would sell films overseas right to this financier. Now, we will try to understand the Hawala transaction taking place between India and Iran. India exports a bulk of its basmati rice to Iran. The Iranian buyer is not allowed to pay back Indian exporters in dollar, while the Indian exporter has no use of Iranian currency rial. So, the Iranian buyer deposit an equivalent amount of rial with his local bank. The local bank uses the country that trades with both Iran and India for settlement. For example, the local bank chooses the Japan, which imports oil from Iran and also trade with India. The bank in Japan agrees to use some of the money it owes Iran to settle Iran's dues with India. That is why most Indian exporters were flooded with yen some years back. Thus, India get her money from Iran and Iran get the basmati rice circumventing the US-led restrictions on Iran. Now, we will also try to understand the Hawala transaction through the currency market. For instance, the rupee is not fully convertible on capital account of India. This makes it impossible for foreign companies and investors to hedge the rupee dollar currency risks. But leading international banks in Singapore, Dubai, London and Hong Kong offer non-deliverable forward contract in the rupee designed to get around RBI control. In this non-deliverable forward contract market, no exchange takes place of the two currencies' principal sum. The only cash flow is the movement of difference between the contract rate and the rupee's prevailing spot market rate. To conclude, Hawala is not inevitable. A market that is neither illegal nor criminal can emerge for working around currency control. Thank you for watching my video.